What does the cloud look like? Is the cloud an abstract thing? The answer is no. The cloud is not an abstract concept, it is a tangible, physical infrastructure. It consists of numerous computers housed in expansive data centers, which are essentially large warehouse-like buildings containing multiple racks. Racks are vertical structures arranged closely to efficiently house a specific number of computers. Within each rack, the rectangular, glowy components are individual computers, often referred to as clouds. It's essential to note that these computers differ from the ones we use in our daily lives, they are specifically designed to fit inside the rack. These computers are modular, making them easy to remove and reinsert into the rack, much like cabinets in a filing system. This external view of a data center represents the physical manifestation of the cloud. Each data center contains numerous racks, each hosting multiple cloud computers. Moreover, these data centers are distributed globally to ensure widespread coverage and efficient service delivery. That's all for this tutorial, see you in the next one.